Today, we are going to learn about the idiom, a penny for your thoughts. This phrase is used when you want to know what someone is thinking or feeling. It is a way of asking someone to share their thoughts or feelings with you. For example, if your friend looks sad, you might say, "A penny for your thoughts. Is everything okay?" This shows that you care about your friend and want to know what is on their mind. The origin of this idiom is not exactly known, but it is believed to have come from the Middle Ages, when people would offer a penny to hear someone's thoughts or opinions. It has since become a common phrase used in everyday conversation. So remember, the next time you want to know what someone is thinking, you can say, "A penny for your thoughts."